Okay. Firstly, tumbuk apa? Halia, cili merah, cili api, garam kasar, ikan bilis. Semua dia ditumbuk hingga hancur. Everything dah.
Tak.
Hah?
Hancur-hancur sangat.
Oh no, everything hancur. Sorry. Bawang, cili dengan bawang, cili dengan cili api ditumbuk halus-halus. So the onions, chili and chili api is pounded finely. What's left is the ikan bilis, anchovies, to be pounded separately so that it's not so fine.
Separately,
Last, so that it's not so fine. Supaya ikan bilis tu tak halus-halus sangat. Nanti dapatlah terasa bila gigit tu mah. Ke tak Lepas tu ikan apa? Garam kasar tu tadi dah masuk kan? Oh, this is the kicker. The ikan bilis is the pecah-pecah kan aja. It's just too coarsely pounded. So it's not so fine. So it's nice to taste when you eat it with the nasi goreng.
Ni nama nasi goreng.
Nasi Goreng Halia. This is Nasi Goreng Halia. Our almost daily breakfast.
No.
Almost. It's almost a must weekly.
At least once a week.
And then served with sunny side up eggs, fried eggs.
Yes, gambar.
Tuh. So heat up the oil in your wok. About 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tablespoon of oil. Tambah lagi 3. About that much lah. Enough for your rice. Enough for the ingredients. So now it's all gonna begin. Okay. Minyak dah makin panas because dia meletup-letup. Yowza. Wah, main pasal lampu. Lain colour dia tiba-tiba. So ditumis barang-barang yang dipounded tadi. Saute. Jangan marah. Fry all of the pounded stuff. You see the ikan bilis is nicely not fine. Put a bit of water so that it cooks nicely. Wow. Yowza. Oh my god, my nose. At this point, I think you need to put on your fan so that it doesn't make you sneeze. So bahan tumis tu tadi nampak cantik dan yummy. That's one sneeze. Two sneeze. Okay, sampai bila dia masak mah? How do you know when it's cooked?
After about
After about 5 minutes, dia dah naik minyak sikit lah. Dia dah naik minyak sikit. Tu dah dekat-dekat. Api mesti kecil tau. Oh, itu kecil ke tu mah? Kecil itulah. Supaya jangan hangus.
Okay.
Now you put in the rice. Wow. Nice. Put in the rice and start gauling. Start mixing it all up evenly so that everything is covered by the ikan bilis, by the bumbu, by the apa? Pounded ingredient. Everything needs to be covered. We don't like lumps, do we, mommy? Do we, mommy?
No.
So yeah. Wow, already. See, the chili color is coming out. The chili merah. So it gives it a bit more color. Kalau tidak, dia dull aja color dia. Now it looks yum. No, mom.
Keep on stirring.
Apa dia?
Keep on stirring.
Keep on stirring. I'm about to sneeze. Oh. Oh, yummy. Kecilkan api lagi sikit. Put down the fire. Put it on low once it's nearly cooked. So you just wanna
Soften the rice.
soften the rice.
Cool rice.
The cold rice. It has to be cold rice. If you just cook rice, you need to let it cool down first before you fry it. Because otherwise it becomes really lumpy and not very nice. Is that it? Oh, taste. Have a bit of a taste. Sini ma, pandang sini. For salt.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it's done. Bye.